BJ Peters here with stampinbj.com, and I'm excited to share with you a really easy, kind of fun fold card that I think you're going to love to make. I am using a couple of products today, one from Sale-a-Bration. So this is the Sale-a-Bration brochure here for January and February of 2021. And this bundle right here, Berry Blessings, you get both the stamp set and the designer series paper. And I am absolutely in love with this bundle that is actually made to coordinate with something from the January through June mini catalog. So here I am on page 44, and this sweet strawberry bundle that comes with the coordinating stamp set and the punch, everything works so perfectly together. It's just amazing how everything looks. So let me show you how to make this kind of fun fold card super easy. This is for any kind of stamper. You can do this. So the pieces that you need to assemble is a strip of designer series paper that is 5.5 inches by 3 inches, and you're going to score and fold that at 1.5 inches, and that's going to be your kind of your binding. And this is Pacific Point cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. That is going to be my card base. And then the insert here is kind of the opposite side. So this is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then I use the stitch nested labels dies. So you're going to need one in kind of your solid color, or somehow coordinating with your background. And that one is going to be just slightly larger than the two Whisper White or Basic White stitched nested labels that you'll need. I'm going to be using both of my Stampin' Seals today because sometimes I'm going to want just a little bit stronger Stampin' Seal, and that's that Stampin' Seal Plus. So I'm going to start with that one, and I'm going to run that along the kind of the back side of the binding here, and I'm going to insert my back of my card base right up to that fold and kind of give it a good press. Then I'm going to adhere my 4 inch by 5 1/4 inch designer series paper right to the inside here. See how everything is just going to coordinate so lovely. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of stamp the images on the kind of the front panel here. I'm actually going to use coordinating greetings, one from each of the 2 stamp sets. This one is going to say just for you. This is going to be on the outside here. There are 2 greens in this wonderful color combination, and this one is I'm going to use the Granny Apple Green. I'm going to go ahead and get those berries stamped on here, and then we'll stamp the insides in with the Pacific Point ink. All right, that is done. We're going to go ahead and we're going to adhere that to our little bit slightly larger Pacific Point stitched nested label. And then this I'm going to use Stampin' Seal for. So you want to make sure that you're going to get it on the right side. So this is going to line up here. So I'm going to put one long strip of Stampin' Seal Plus on this far side. All right, here's the kind of the coordinating greeting I'm going to use, and that says, "You always have a way of making my day," which is so very true. And I'm just finishing off the inside, very similar to the outside, so everything, just kind of coordinates, because that's really what we do, right? All right, here's a little trick for you. I'm going to go ahead and add my adhesive to the back of this little insert that's going to go on the inside of the card. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to place it exactly kind of centered where I want it on the inside back of the front cover of the card. I'm going to leave it lay there, and I'm going to flip the back side over, and you guys are all going, "Oh," right now. And then it's going to be perfectly centered right inside my card, just like that. So there's that really super easy fun fold card using the products from the 2 Sale-a-Bration and from the mini catalog that I absolutely love. Super easy, really fun. Who wouldn't love having that sitting at their house? Hey, stay tuned to my Facebook group, BJ's Stampin' Spot, as well as my YouTube channel for more ideas like this, because actually have another really fun fold that I can't wait to share with this product suite. You can purchase these products in my online store, as always, at stampinbj.com. And always remember to create and feel great.